Hi Mark. The first bit of your question is right. The girls did go 460 metres right around the outside. Now you've worked out that Sam has cut across and you worked that out to be 170. So when you add them all together, you get 150 plus 80 plus 170 to give you the answer, which was 400 metres there. And obviously then if that's 400 metres, this needs to be 400. And when you take that away, the difference between them is 60 metres. Okay, now this bit here, you've got the first bit right. The area for the paved section is 11.7. And remember, that is metres. Okay, now each of these tiles is 30 centimetres by 30 centimetres. And when you work that out, you end up with 900 centimetres squared. Now we want to have our units in the same because this is our metres squared and it's centimetres squared. So if I convert this to centimetres squared, it's going to be equal to 117,000 centimetres squared, because remember you have to times by 100 squared to get to that. And so if the paved area is 117,000 centimetres squared and each tile is, or each paver is 900 centimetres squared, it's going to be 11700 divided by 900, and you end up with 130 tiles, 130 pavers. And we know that they cost $4.20 each. So times it by $4.20, and what do you end up with? You end up with $546. This next bit is a little bit tricky, so some of these calculations are wrong. You know that you've got 6.5 here, 6.5 here. This is 1.8, and you know the distance from here to here is the radius, which is 6. But the other odd thing here that you might not notice is that from there right across to there would be the diameter. So if the radius is 6, this whole section here is 12, which includes that. So in actual fact, the distance right around that shape would be 6.5 plus 6.5 plus, okay, this bit here and this bit here, okay, these two, and that, which add up to 12, and then the curved part, which is pi r, and r is 6 in this case. And so when you put all of that together, you end up with 43.85 metres around that whole shape. So that was a little bit more tricky. All right, now I want you to think about the next bit before I show you. Here again, your pavers are 20. So if you had this bit wrong, then obviously that goes in there and you are going to divide by. All right, now if this is metres, this has to be changed to metres, which would be 0.2 of a metre because you're dividing by 100, or you could have gone the other way and changed to centimetres. And then once you get the answer there, what you did here was correct. So the working out's okay, it's just some of the other parts you need to have a good look at.